Hello world, I hope you enjoy this week's video. Here's Liverpool Lime Street Station. Lime Street Station is in the city centre. There are lots of steps, but it's wheelchair friendly with a useful lift. Outside there are views of the Radio City Tower and St George's Hall. Here is the Ken Dodd statue. Here are platforms 6 to 10. Let's check out the taxi rank. Slow down! There's a Nero Express over there and much more coming up. There's a sandwich shop. Merseyrail Underground. There's the Avanti West Coast First Class Lounge. You could only have the first class tickets to get that in there. There's a ticket machine. There's a donut shop. There's more platforms. There's Costa. They sell the best hot chocolate. Ooh. A ticket office. There's a Boots and Starbucks. There's some payphones. If you need to empty your tummy, here's a nice drop-off point. Outside there's a multi-storey car park. Breaking news, this is St George's Hall. It's where the new Batman got filmed and my mum and dad got married here. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit that like button and subscribe.